Hey, welcome back, Texas Pontoon fam here. Yeah, I was sitting inside the shed again. I know y'all probably hate this view. Rather be on that boat with water in the background. But we're almost done with it. How many times have y'all heard that? Drop me a comment and let me know how many more videos y'all think we'll put out before that boat's afloating. I say it's gonna be on the water 2 weeks from now. Maybe 3. I don't know, just gotta see how everything goes. Before we get started though, hit the like button if you're into fishing, camping, hunting. Not hunting. We do hunt, but we don't show it. Fishing, camping, RVing, nature, animals. Oh, and that sun just messing with the lighting on this camera. It's windy outside, dang. It's what's today? May 18th, and it is windy as heck. But let's get going on this boat. We'll show you some of the footage we done 2 weeks ago, and then we'll be back with you.
The Texas Pontoon fam.
What?
Do you need a chair up on the boat?
For what? What are
to
we doing?
sit in?
What are we doing up on the
Wiring
boat?
up the console?
We wiring up the console.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I need a chair up there. We got the steering wheel on there with a little bit of trouble. Got a little bit of a gap right there. I'm gonna have to seal around. Fixed to try to put the switch plate right there in there and get it bolted up.
You can have this.
See how it works.
This is something from the
Okay. Alright, here it goes. My third hand putting the wires in. Trying to. Come on, you got it, woman?
I got it. Just taking some maneuvering.
Alright. I'm gonna get it bolted up. Don't force it, woman. Be easy. Here's the wiring coming out of this is hot and ground to the switch panel I just put on, and this will be all the hot wires coming out of it. I bought some blocks here, some terminal blocks that I'm fixed to bolt right in there. I got 2 for hot and 2 for ground, so maybe we'll try to get a little footage. I don't know how good you can see in there. Hey, that's pretty good. So let's get those bolted down. I don't know how much of this I can do one-handed though, with that flyaway wire on that side.
I can get up.
You might want to. Oh.
Open up, scratch.
Got juice. Our fix be ready to cook. Glad I had all this done up in the shed. What happens when you're up high and
There went the ladder.
the ladder falls?
Cheyenne knocked over the ladder.
Better be glad we got somebody to call, girl. You'd be having to
I can
belly
jump down.
flop off the side of the boat.
I can jump down. That's
Now we got all those. Those are all the hot wires that comes from the switches, the back side of the switches. So I'm gonna put it in there and get it screwed down right there. There ain't enough room for the drill and the camera, so y'all gotta sit and chill out. I thought I was buying a very good pair of wire strippers when I bought these. And they're 10 times better than my old ones, but I sure would like one of those pairs that you just squeeze and it cuts it and pulls it off all on its own. Let me grab that. Now nobody go pee in the bed tonight. Here, let me see that and flip the switch and make sure it lights up. The middle one. Oh, I ain't got it hooked up inside yet. There you go.
The light is on the boat.
I know I gotta check it, but flip that light over so I can see it. Oh yeah, it's working. Is this one working? Yep. It's glowing. Still gotta bolt that one up now. But it's coming along. Break time. Boss woman.
Yep. Bravery. Didn't you, baby? Yeah.
But when I take a shot, I don't want to get dirty.
It don't matter if you took a shower, you can still go outside and help on the boat.
What?
Rosie's the only one that gets to stay inside and sleep.
What?
Ooh, look at my tan legs down there.
I know, you're starting
And
to
my
look,
white legs.
starting to look like a farmer. We got the fish finder put on the console now. All hooked up. We're almost through wired.
That?
I ain't got it screwed down yet, so let's try it right there.
Not that bright, but.
It ain't working yet.
Oh. Is it that?
No. Hold on. It's working. I just said play with the bulb. Oh look, it's push button. Oh no. Need an LED one. Yeah, there it goes. I'll have to play with that and get it better. What?
One of those light bars right here.
One of those light bars.
See?
LED light bars right here.
I didn't put it on.
Yeah, that would be good. Alright, here's the time. Power. Ooh, hummingbird. Helix 7. Know nothing about it. Only thing I do know is that it don't have a map. $98 degrees outside. Thought it was like 88 and felt like 98. Well, are you happy?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
About done.
Those are some big eyeballs. Well, we still gotta put some screws in that and get it screwed down. I might throw some gold ones in there like those right there. I use black, but I didn't buy enough. So we got the steering wheel on. We got the switches on. Better not flip all those. There's some not tied up yet. We still got to wire up the navigation lights up front. We got the fish finder on. We got the hatch cover door down there put on. And we're calling it a night. So
We got these also.
if you're still here, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and catch us on the next episode and see what else we get.